Question number 4. Lataben borrowed some money from a bank at the rate of 10 PCPA interest for 2.5 years to start a cottage industry. If she paid 10,250 rupees as total interest, how much money had she borrowed? Okay, so first year students, as we can see that the interest 2 is given, that is 10,250. Then rate of interest is given, that is 10 PCPA. Time is given, that is 2.5 years. So we have to find what? We have to find how much money she borrowed. So that is P2 is equal to question mark. Now we'll write let the principal be 100 rupees. Okay, so we find interest on rupees 100, P1. Okay, so I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So as we know P1 is 100, so 100 into rate of interest is 10. So 10 into and T is 2.5, so 2.5 upon 100. Okay, so see now here what happens? 2 zeros and here 2 zeros will get cancelled. So what is remaining? 10. Okay, and here when we do this, it will be 10 into 5 upon 2. So see here, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So 5 into 5 is how much? It is 25, right? So we got that the interest on principal 100 is rupees 25. Okay, now we got this. Now what we will write? We will write I1 upon I2 is equal to P1 upon P2. Okay, now let us put the values. Therefore 25 upon 10,250 upon 100 is equal to 100 upon P2. Okay, now what we'll do? We'll cross multiply. So therefore 25 into P2 is equal to 10,250 into 100. Okay, now we'll bring this 25 over here. So it will be therefore P2 is equal to 100 into 10,250 upon 25. Okay, so now see here, 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, right? And so therefore P2 is equal to 4 into 10,250. And when we multiply this, we will get 41,000. So students, final answer, Lataben had borrowed 41,000 rupees. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks in the table. So now students, let us do the first one. Okay. So first is principal is 4,200. Rate of interest is 7%. Then time is 3 years. We have to find the interest and amount. Okay, so first we'll find the interest and then we will find the amount. So first let us write the given information. So solution, P is equal to 4,200 rupees. R is equal to 7 PCPA. Time is equal to 3 years. We have to find interest and amount. So we'll write I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Now we'll put the value. So it will be what? I is equal to 4,200 into 7 into 3 upon 100. Okay. So now see here, 2 zeros and 2 zeros will get cancelled. So what is remaining? 42 into 7 into 3. And when we multiply these, we will get 882 rupees. Okay, so I is equal to 882 rupees. Now we have to find what? We have to find the amount. So we'll write amount is equal to P plus I. So it will be what? P is 4,200 and I is 882. So we'll add now. So when we add, we will get what? We will get amount is equal to 5,082 rupees. So we'll write here interest is 882 rupees and amount is 5,082 rupees. Now students, question number 2 is for homework. So now here you have to find two things, that is principal and then amount. So first you will find the principal and then you will be finding the amount. So this question is for homework. Now question number 3. So see here now, principal is given, that is 8,000. rate of interest is given, that is 5%, and interest is given. Okay, now we have to find the time and amount. So first we'll write the given information, that is P is equal to 8,000 rupees, R is equal to 5 PCPA, and T is equal to question mark, I is equal to 800, and amount is equal to question mark. Okay, so I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Now we'll put the values, that is I is 800. So therefore 800 is equal to P is 8,000. So 8,000 into R is 5. So 5 into T. T we have to find, and upon 100. Okay. Then we'll bring this T here and we'll bring this 800 here. So therefore T is equal to 800 into 100 upon 8,000 into 5. Okay. So now students, these 2 zeros and 2 zeros will get cancelled, and then 1 0 and 1 0. Okay. Then here 5 1s are 5, 5, how much are 5 16s are 80. Then 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay. So T is equal to 2 years. Therefore, T is equal to 2 years. Now, what we have to find? We have to find the amount. So, amount is equal to P plus I. So, A is equal to P is how much? 8,000 plus, and interest is 800. So, 8,000 plus 800. So, it will be amount is equal to 8,800 rupees. So, time is 2 years and amount is 8,800 rupees. Now next, question number 4. Now here students, we have to find the principal. Rate of interest is given, that is 5%. Right? Then time is not given, so it is question mark. We have to find time. Interest is given as 6,000 and amount is given as 18,000. Okay. So first here students, as you can see, principal and time both are not given. So with the help of this interest and amount, first we will find the principal and then we can find the time. Okay. So first we'll write the given information, that is P is equal to question mark, R is equal to 5 PCPA, T is equal to question mark, interest is equal to 6,000 and amount is equal to 18,000. Then we'll write amount is equal to P plus I. So amount is 18,000. So 18,000 is equal to P plus 6,000. Interest is 6,000. So 6,000. Now P is equal to 18,000 minus 6,000. Now students, when we subtract this, what we will get? We will get 12,000 rupees. So P is equal to how much? It is 12,000 rupees. Now we have got the principal. So now we will find the time. Okay. So for that we'll write the formula, that is I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Okay. Then it will be what? It will be therefore 6,000 is equal to 12,000 into 5 into T upon 100. Okay. So now we'll bring this 6,000 over here and we'll bring this T over here. So it will be therefore T is equal to 6,000 into 100 upon 12,000 into 5. Right? Then 2 zeros and 2 zeros will get cancelled over here. And then 1 0 and 1 0. Okay. Then what is next, students? Next, we can do in this way. See, it is what? 12 ones are 12 and 12 50s are 600. Right? Then 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. So T is equal to 10 years. So therefore T is equal to 10 years. So now here principal is what? 12,000 rupees and time is 10 years. Now question number 5 is also for homework. So here you have to find the principal and then you have to find the amount.